dear children. Again, welcome back to your mathematics class. Okay, now we are discussing the chapter metric measures, and I hope all of you completed your homeworks and all of you by hearting this table. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about converting smaller units into bigger units. Okay, I hope all of you studied the conversion of the bigger units into smaller units that we were discussing in the last recorded class, isn't it? So today we are going to discuss about converting smaller units into bigger units. You know, in this table, where is the smaller units? Here in the right side. Okay, from right to left when we are moving, that is, this one will increasing. That is, this is smaller than the next one, like that. Here it is the bigger unit, isn't it? So, shall we start today's class? Okay, the first question, you can write, convert the following. Convert the following. First question, 63,256 centigram. Okay, so you know, in the last class, conversion of the bigger units into smaller units, they were given like this: 5 kiloliter, 6 hectoliter, 7 decaliter into liter or into decaliter or into centiliter, like that they will give, isn't it? So, we have to convert the given metric measures, we have to convert this into a particular unit, a particular deciliter or decaliter, like that they will give. But here in this case you can see they won't give, they are not given any particular unit to convert. Okay, so 63,256 centigram. This is a smaller unit, smaller one. We have to convert this one into some bigger units. Okay, so bigger units we have to convert into bigger units, just reverse. So you know, from bigger to smaller we will multiply, but from smaller to bigger we will, what we will do? Yes, division. Okay, so in the last class we were converting from bigger to smaller, we will multiply. Okay, but here we are going to convert from smaller to bigger, means we will divide. Okay, so how we will find out the answer? So here I am going to do. Here there is no enough space because this table is here, that's why. So when you are writing the notes, below this you can do. Here there is no enough space, that's why I am writing here. Okay. Okay, so this is the number. Then we will use 10 for divide. Why? Why we are choosing this 10? You know, when we are multiplying or when we are converting the bigger one into smaller one, we will move from left to right. That is multiplication. So we will multiply one time when we are jumping, then we will multiply by 10, isn't it? Like that, when we are moving from this to this side, that means smaller to bigger units means division only, isn't it? So from here to here when we are jumping, that is 10 you should divide. From here to here 10 we will multiply. From here to here 10 we will divide. Okay, so that 10 we will write here. Okay, how we will divide this? 10 6 are 60, then 3. Okay, 10 3s are 30, remainder 2. You know, normal division. 10 2s are 20, remainder 5. Then 10 5s are 50, remainder 6. That 6 can we write below before any other numbers? No, because till here only. We can't write this 6 before any other number, because there is no any other numbers after the 6. So what we will do? Yes, we can write plus 6. Okay, so plus 6. The 6 is actually belongs to this group, isn't it? Okay, here we can't write this 6. Why? Here there is no any other number. So we will write that 6 here. So the 6 belong to the centigram. Okay, The 6 belong to the centigram. Then, what's the next one here? We are moving from right to left, isn't it? So, here where is centigram? Yes. When we are dividing using 10 means, one time we will jump to this side. That is decigram. Here this is the decigram. Clear? Again with 10. First number 6 we can't divide by 10. Then next number 63. Next one along with the 6 we will take the next digit, then 63. 10 6 are 60. Remainder 3. 10 3s are 30. Remainder 2. 10 2s are 20. Remainder 5. That remainder here. 5 belongs to which one? Yes, this one, this group. Decagram. Sorry, decigram. Okay. And this one belongs to 632, the new one. Yes, basic unit. What's the basic unit of this one? Gram. Clear? Again. 10. 10 6 are 60. Remainder 3. 10 3s are 30. Remainder 2. Okay. 2 belongs to which one? Yes, this gram. Gram after which is the next one? Decagram. Clear? One more time. 10. 10 6 are 60 plus 3. 3 belongs to this decagram. 6 belongs to this hectogram. So, 6, 3. You got the final answer. That is, here again we can't divide the 6 by using 10. So, we can stop there, and actually I hope all of you write this one below this question. Okay, here there is no enough space. That's why I am writing this here. I am doing this here. Don't do this one in the working column. This is the answer. Okay. And after this, below this you have to write the final answer. How we will write the final answer? You have to convert into bigger units, isn't it? We will start from here. Okay, like this. Like this we will write. Okay. From where we will start? 6 Hg, hectogram, plus next one 3 decagram plus 2 gram plus 5 decigram plus 6 centigram. 6 hectogram plus 3 decagram plus 2 gram plus 5 decigram plus 6 centigram. Okay. So, we got the bigger units. Okay. Clear, I think. All of you copy this to your notebook. One more question I will explain. 73,849 centimeter. So, how we will start? Yes, we will write 73,849 centimeter. Divide with 10. 10 in 7, not possible. So, 73. 10 7s are 70. Then, here 3. Okay. Then, 10 3s are 38 is the number. 10 3s are 30. Remainder 30 plus 8. Isn't it? 8. 84. 10 8s are 80. Remainder 4. 10 4s are 40. Remainder, where we will write 9. This 9 belongs to the centimeter. Centimeter after which is the next one? Decimeter. So, this is the new one, decimeter. Again division by using 10. 10 7s are 70. Remainder 3. 10 3s are 30. Remainder 8. 10 8s are 80. Remainder 4. 4 belongs to this decimeter. Then, 738 is decimeter after basic unit. What's the basic unit of this? Meter. Okay, again 10. Then 10 sevens are 70. Remainder 3. 10 threes are 30. Remainder 8. 8 belongs to this meter. Meter after decameter. Again with using 10, 70 plus 3. Okay, so 7, this 3 belongs to this decameter, 7 in which one? Hectometer. Okay, finish. We can't divide this 7 by 10. Stop it. Then what's the answer? Can you say the answer? 7 hectometer plus 3 decameter plus 8 meter plus 4 decimeter plus 9 centimeter. Okay, that's the answer. 7 hectometer plus 3 decameter plus 8 meter plus 4 decimeter plus 9 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. 48,068 deciliter. Okay. Answer 48,068 deciliter. 10. Okay. So first number is 48. 10 into which number is 48? 10 fours are 48 here. Then next number is 80. 10 eights are 80. Next number is 6. Can we divide this 6 by 10? No. So when we are doing the division, what we will do in this cases? Yes, 1 0 we will take here, right here. Then next number will become 68. 10 6 are 60 plus 8. 8 belongs to this deciliter and deci after liter here. Clear? Again 10. Okay. Then 10 in 48. 10 fours are 40. 8 is the remainder. 10 eights are 80. Then what's the next one? 6. Can we divide this 6 by 10? No. What we will do? 0. Okay. Then 6 is the remainder. Okay. 6 liter and here liter after decaliter. Next. Again 10. 10 fours are 40. 8 is the remainder. 10 eights are 80. Then any other number after this? No, because 48 itself. 48 into 10 is 480. So after that there is no remainder. So we can write here 0. 0 decaliter and here 48 hectoliter. Again 10. Okay. 4 plus 10 fours are 40. 8 hectoliter, here 4 kiloliter. Okay. So what's the answer? 4 kiloliter plus 8 hectoliter plus 0 decaliter plus 6 liter plus 8 deciliter. This is the answer. Fourth one. 8 lakh 4,351 milligram. Okay. So write the question itself. Then divide using 10. Then 10 eights are 80. 80 after 4. We can't divide this 4 by 10. So 0. Then 43. Next number. 10 fours are 40. 3 before the next one. 10 threes are 30. 5 before the next one. 10 fives are 50 plus 1. Okay, so this 1 belongs to this milligram. 1 milligram after centigram. Next again 10. 10 eights are 80. Then 0. 10 fours are 40. Then again 3 here. 10 threes are 30 plus 5 centigram. Here it is decigram. Okay. Next 10. 10 eights are 80. You just pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Then you can check the answer if it is correct or wrong. Okay. Dear children, please pause the video and you just try to do it by yourself. Don't copy the notes always from here. Here you can just try to do it by yourself or not. Then you can check your answer is correct or not. Okay. So 10 eights are 80. Then next one 4, 0. 10 fours are 40 plus 3 decigram and 804 gram. 10 eights are 80. Then 4 gram, 80 decagram. Okay. Again 10, 8 plus 0. 10 eights are 80 itself. So 0, what? Decagram, 8 hectogram. So what's the answer? Answer 8 hectogram plus 0 decagram plus 4 gram plus 3 decigram plus 5 centigram plus 1 milligram. Like this we will convert the smaller units into bigger units. I hope it's clear. You can practice more problems in your textbook, page number 126. You can see exercise 9.3, page number 126, exercise 9.3. There you can see a table. Okay, total 9 questions. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The first one already the answer is there. Then the next questions you can do it in the textbook. Okay, no need to copy down this one to your notebook. You can find out the answer and you can do these problems here itself. I hope all of you clear this how to convert, and it's very important. Okay, maybe 2 or 3 mark question will be there like this. So you have to by heart the table first and the units and the simple all. Okay, and after that you have to write and study each and every problems minimum 3 times in your rough book. This is very important. If you are not studying today itself, you will be forget. Okay, so all of you please write and study all these problems minimum 3 times in your rough book and study this one well. Next we are going to discuss about addition of these metric measures. So we are going to discuss how to add these metric measures. So first question, add 6 decameter, 7 meter, 9 decimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 decameter, 9 meter, 4 decimeter, 2 centimeter. This is the question. How to add this? So first of all you can see in this question decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. Here also decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. Which is the first one? Decameter. Which is the last one? Centimeter. Isn't it? You have to just look, read the question first and just look which is the first unit? Decameter. Last one? Centimeter. So in between this deca and centi, which all are the units you have to write first. Like this. Like this you have to add. First write decameter. Decameter after what's the next one? Meter. Next one decimeter. centimeter. Millimeter no need to write because till centimeter they are given the numbers. So, below this you have to arrange the numbers. Decameter. In the first one 6 decameter, 7 meter, 9 decimeter, 3 centimeter. Next 5 addition. 5 decameter, 9 meter, 4 decimeter, 2 centimeter. Addition. How we will add? 3 plus 2, 5, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13. 3 here, where is 1? Before. Okay, next number carry over. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17. This one you can write here. Okay. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. So, what's the answer? You have to write the answer below this. Below this you can write, otherwise here itself you can write 12 decameter, 7 meter, 3 decimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay. So, before adding this, leave some space in between each and every one. Otherwise, at last you can't write here, or otherwise you can rewrite the answer again. 12 decameter, 7 meter, 3 decimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, then no need to put the addition sign or anything in between. This is the answer. Okay, it's very easy. Second one, add 6 hectogram, 4 gram, 2 decigram and 1 decagram, 3 gram, 4 centigram. Okay, enough. So, you can see here in the first one, which is the first number, first one, this one, second one, this. Hectogram to decagram. Hecto, where is hecto? Here. Hectogram to, sorry, decigram. Okay, hectogram to deci is here. So, hecto to deci. Next one, decagram to centigram. So, here deca, here centi. So, first you can write hecto to deci. That is hectogram. Then hecto after decagram. Hecto to deci, you have to arrange all the units. Hectogram, decagram after gram, after decigram. Next one, decagram to centigram. So, here deca is there, gram is there, deci is there. One more we have to add here, centigram. Okay, so in the first one there is centi is not here, but in the second one centigram is here. So, first one starting with hectogram, last one decigram. So, in between hecto and deci, all the units you have to write here. And in the second question, it starts with deca. Deca is here in the question and gram is there, centigram also here. So, till centigram you have to arrange all the units. Okay. Then 6. What's the first one? 6 hectogram. 6 hectogram. Then decagram is here in the first one? No, 0. Okay. Gram, 4 gram, 2 decigram. Centigram is there in the first one? No, so 0. Then hectogram is there in the first here? Second one? No, so 0. Then 1 decagram, 3 gram, 4 centigram. Here also 0. 4, 2, 4 plus 3, 7, 1, 6. Okay, so what's the answer? 6 hectogram, 1 decagram, 7 gram, 2 decigram, 4 centigram. Okay, I hope it's clear. 4 kiloliter 2 decaliter 1 centiliter and 3 hectoliter 5 liter 1 centiliter. Sorry, it's 9 centiliter. Okay. So, first one kiloliter, start with kilo and the last one is centi. So, in between this kilo and centi, which all are the units? Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter. Okay, and in the second question, start with hecto and end with centi. So, hecto and centi is here. So, no need to add any others. Then, what's the first one? 4 kiloliter, 2 decaliter. Hectoliter is not here means 0. 1 liter is not here. Deciliter also not here. 1 centiliter. Next, kiloliter is not here. Hectoliter, 3 hectoliter. Decaliter is not here. 5 liter, 9 centiliter. Deciliter also absent. Then 9 plus 1, 10, 0 plus 1 here, 1 here, 5, 2, 3, 4. So, what's the answer? 4 kiloliter, 3 hectoliter, 2 decaliter, 5 liter, 1 deciliter, 0 centiliter. Okay, I hope all of you clear this how to add. Okay, so addition completed. So, like this only we will do the subtraction. Okay, so do one thing. I will give one question. Just try to do it. We will discuss the answer of that particular question in the next class anyway. But you know how to subtract. Okay, according to that, and you got an idea how to add this metric measure. So, like that only we will subtract. So, I will give one question, one small question. You just try to do it. If you are not getting the answer, don't worry, but try to find out the answer. Anyway, we will discuss the same question in the next class. Question is this one. Write the heading subtraction. Write the heading subtraction. Subtract. First question. Subtract 3 hectoliter, 5 liter, 2 deciliter, 1 centiliter from 7 kiloliter and 6 liter and 1 deciliter to centiliter. Okay, so this is the question. Try to find out the answer of this question, and if you are not getting the answer, don't worry, we will discuss the same one in the next class. Anyway, try to do it. Okay, so you can do some more homeworks. That page number 127, you can see A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, some questions. Addition. Okay, so find out the answer of these questions. In textbook itself you can do, no need to copy down to your notebook, you can do it here itself in the textbook and study very well. Okay, so we are going to wind up today's class. Okay, we will meet in next class. Thank you.